room 12,400. Large speakers and radios are prohibited on board. It is a small interior room, regular room. If you order your sodas and stuff in advance, they will deliver it and have it in your room. Nice counter space. There's the cooler. We're gonna call it a cooler, not a refrigerator. Drawer space. So with a couple of towels. Storage or a seat. There's a bed that can be let out in case there's another person in the room. Hooks. Watch your step getting into the bathroom. Glass doors on the shower. And swing out. You have your shampoo and shower gel. Shower head that comes down. Clothesline is here. So if you want to hang a swimming suit or something like that, something that needs to be dried, you just hook it right there. You have a clothesline. Some foot bar for you to use as needed. Mirror. And it's just a square room. Here's your closet space. Plenty of hangers. There's your safe. Pull-out drawer at the bottom. Storage. A long closet for storage right here. Now, this one had a card in here. This controls the lights. So you want to leave some kind of card in there so that you can do the lights how you want. Here's your temperature here. Cold and hot. Peephole. Phone. All kinds of things to read.
If you are going to smoke, please do so only in designated public areas. Exact locations.
There's a card of the stateroom attendant. And yeah, plenty of plugs.
Discharge of any item into the sea is prohibited.
Plenty of plugs. So you don't have to bring an extra extension cord from home. And the mirror lights up. Yeah, so here's your standard interior. Interior room.